What is up, you guys? Y'all already know what we're doing. We're doing a reaction video. Yeah, to 3D printed guns. I just wanted to do this because I just wanted to let my butt cheeks clench, and really worry about certain people's safety. On some of these, I'm not gonna lie, they've done a very brilliant job. I'm not even gonna lie. Um, of course, the barrel is gonna have to be printed steel, of course, and the firing pin and stuff. But I think most of the lowers on this are 3D printed. So let's get right into it. This is Heat's Honor. That's a radical looking gun. Thankfully, most of these guys are using like small caliber, but there's some 5.56 on here or some 7.62s. I see them. You'll see. The dude on that last video might actually think this might be illegal because he got his whole damn face blurred out. Y'all hear that? Fucking America. It's beautiful to see all them freedom seeds going everywhere, isn't it? I mean, it's very worrisome because majority of these are made out of plastic. But the pistols, it looks like just the bottom is made out of the plastic. I don't know what kind of plastic they're, you know, it might be carbon fiber plastic. I don't know, but some of these are holding up pretty well. Alright, this guy just absolutely said, fuck it, fuck my safety, I could give a shit less. He kind of looks like he knows what he's doing. But like I said, you can see the barrel is obviously steel because anybody with half of a mind is going to realize that a bullet comes down. It will have to be steel. It's going to have to be because plastic is not going to, I don't know. Somebody the other day asked me, uh, they're making these guns totally out of plastic. I said, well, not totally out of plastic, maybe just like 30% out of plastic. No, the barrels and the firing pins. I said, no, the fuck it's not. Don't sit on here and tell me, with your liberal ass, that it's all plastic. There ain't no way it's all plastic. He's shooting 7.62 or something, man. The way that recoil is, he's shooting something big. Surely to God, there ain't nobody gonna try any 303, 308s and shit like that. Because I just don't think it would get, especially 7 mags and stuff, deer rounds. Surely God. This one's cool. Little video thing. Okay, so we all know that this is an AK-47, and I see a couple of screws holding in the lower receiver. Oh God, I see some more bolts on the back right here. Yeah, this ain't no that's not good, man. That's not good. That I don't like that. Daddy usually likey, right? But Daddy no likey. Nine millimeter. Damn. Okay, those I don't get it. I don't get why people want them, you know. I mean, make it a little mini sub machine or something. But I cannot stand them bent stocks. I cannot do it. I don't even like bump stocks, you know. They shouldn't be able to illegalize them, but Lord Jesus. It's another AK-47. Do y'all see all the bolts holding these things together? I mean, at least they were safe about it, but damn. There ain't nobody invading mainland USA. I'm sorry to tell you. There's too many people out here with freedom seeds everywhere and don't mind to blast them bitches off either. And good luck, you know, trying to ban guns. Good fucking luck is all I can say. Hopefully people will wake up and realize that we have to do something before that happens, because they're fixing to make it to where, okay, you know how felons can't have guns? You know how everybody was just cool with, you know, felons getting their rights taken away? Well, now they're going to make it so easy to become a felon when it comes to firearms that they'll just be able to take your guns away. Oh my god, dude. This one is interesting as shit. I mean, it's got like a, looks almost like an AR, like a 9mm AR style, but it's got like a Glock top. Man, that's just crazy. When he turns it to the side, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. The AR hammer. See it right there. And if you had seen it while it was firing, you can see the hammer. You can see the hammer as the slide is going. Now, hats off, man. Hats off to you. They hitting them targets every time. I really like the one on the left. I really do. Especially how he's got that stock popping out, dude. That's actually kind of cool. I ain't gonna lie. You know, it's just a carbine. You know, it's just 9mm, but there's a lot of plastic. Which a lot of carbines are fucking nearly all plastic. So, look at, you see his hammer? It's kind of like the 9mm lower for the AR styles. There's an AR. An AR or an M4 is basically the same fucking rifle, everybody. I don't care. There's been millions of damn arguments. They're basically the same rifle. A minute ago, you guys, I said Glock top, that Beretta top. I meant Beretta. That's cool as shit, dude. You can tell some of these guys are having way too much fucking fun, just spitting out fucking freedom seeds like the motherfucker should. It's amazing. It's just amazing. Alright, here we go. There's this America. Fucking America. That gun right there screams America. Absolutely. Screams America. It obviously wasn't, I mean, it was made in America, but kind of looks like Chinese made it though, with all these damn bolts going in it and shit, you know. There we go, grand finale. Anyways, you guys, I appreciate y'all coming to the channel. I just wanted to share this with you because I just had tons of fucking fun watching these damn guns go off. You know, people are creative, and if we just keep the creativeness with one another, and let's just not let these tyrants take our world. We had a good world, and let's not let them take it. Not take it. They're going to have to fight for it one way or another. But I wanted this video to be enjoyment. You know, we want to talk more about political stuff. We'll do it on different videos. But, hey, I appreciate y'all coming and hanging out with me for a minute. This is Heath's Honor. Y'all subscribe if you want to. I mean, you don't got to. But I would appreciate it if you help my channel. Y'all have a good one, y'all.